Greetings and welcome to the channel, Finance with Objectives. But, before entering the topic of cryptocurrencies, it is very important that you subscribe to the channel, Finance with Objectives, so that you can receive the best videos on finance. The topic that we will be talking about is cryptocurrencies. Have you ever wondered, what are cryptocurrencies? If you didn't, we will tell you about it. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency based on technology, and they are not issued or controlled by any banking entity. In addition, cryptocurrencies are considered to be surpassing the use among users of information systems exceeding 100 million worldwide. Now, we wonder, where do I get cryptocurrencies? There are several options where you can acquire your cryptocurrency. The important thing is to choose the most appropriate one. Therefore, the safest way to buy the digital currency is Ripple, XRP. What advantage do Ethereum cryptocurrencies offer us? They can exchange funds between two parties. It does not require intermediaries, its operations are from person to person. The operations are safe and transparent thanks to the blockchain technology validation system. There is no restriction on access to your funds. Anyone with an internet connection can access the digital market to make their investments. You have total autonomy over the funds. But, what are the disadvantages? They are volatile. It has different values, which show ups and downs in their prices. There is no security of recovering funds in case of scams. And unfortunately, they are used for illicit activities such as money laundering or tax evasion. If you want to know more about finances, give it a like and subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below.